motorcycle stuff. Hey, how you doing? Hey, how you doing? Right. Kings of the South. Okay. In the house. See what you're working with. Oh. Oh, okay. Okay.
Set it in.
Yeah.
Set up pretty good.
It's set up pretty good. Yeah. Oh, this is the flocking stuff you're talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It does feel just like carpet, but it's sprayed on. Okay, okay. How often do you ride this thing? Never.
I broke that a lot when I did that.
This green one is, yeah.
I rode this one probably more than anything. It's got about 5,000.
About 5,000 miles?
Right here. To go on my other bike. Let me see. That's my seat to go on my bike.
Uh-huh.
At the house.
Oh, okay, okay.
Let's see what
Oh, the backrest wasn't ready yet, you were telling me about, yeah.
the red NC.
Okay, yeah, I see you got stitched in there, yeah. I like how you snatched, how you, like a horse saddle, how you did, like they do on the string. Well, it's locked in the cage. Only way you get the cage open is you either lift it up. Yeah, they ain't opening no other way. Or tip it, yeah, that's the only way you're gonna get up in there. Man, you're gonna knock that whole thing down because it's gonna go to a certain point and fall. The bars will drop off. It's in there for a reason, so nobody can mess with it. That's why he did it that way. Yeah.
But yeah, that's it.
Oh,
that's built from this fit. That's built out of this fit. Before it's shot.
Interesting.
It's got owls, but
Well, besides that, yeah. Oh, yeah, I see.
seats. That's the chart.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you get any trophies with this thing? Yeah. Oh, I remember these right here. These was cool.
Yeah.
Oh, they. Oh, okay. Yeah.
I want all kinds of stuff with it.
Okay, yeah, because he's a looker for sure. First I thought it was just dirty, right? And then I looked at it, I said, wait a second, that's in the paint.
Yeah, that's in the paint.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, I said,
it's a little dusty, but
I thought you was just dusty. Then I stared at it, I said, wait a second, that ain't no dust. That ain't from the winter reflection.
All those splats, you know, everything, my vision was to make it look like it was popping off and you can grab it. So like that bar and all that stuff, it looked like it was floating and you can grab it.
Oh, okay. How long did it take to build this one?
Man, when they finished it, it was about 2 years, but then they did a couple of little bad investment deals with them, and then they kind of like didn't do what they were supposed to do because it was owned by another company.
So I see you got the what those Bassini Bassini, yeah, that's that.
Cowbell.
So you don't have the frame on one, you just drop right on the ground, right on the ground.
Yeah.
Is that exhaust pretty loud?
Yeah, he pretty loud.
He loud, okay.
And he blow fire. He blow flame.
I see you got something over there. What's that little wire going to that right there?
That's a flamethrower.
That's where the injector shoots some little gas sprays in there, yeah. Because I read some stuff about how to make the old cars do that, and they would have a little injector that just welded into a thing.
Yeah, so the flame coming out to that bike over there.
Oh, okay, so kick that far? Yeah. So eventually you were saying, we had a conversation that you were thinking about you're going to raffle the bike off potentially?
Yes, sir.
Okay, well, let me know when you decide to do that, and I can put my people out there, and they can know where they get a ticket at if you decide you really want to part with it. You know.
I don't drive it. I don't ride it. I don't do anything with it. Most of the time I sit there and I sit in my garage.
Oh, okay.
Or in my store. So there's a bunch of stuff that I don't even do.
Oh, okay, you got a plaque right there. Okay. Yeah. I do like that front rail. Yeah. So it's air front and rear? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. All the way around.
I'll lower a picture with this one. I
hook lights on here, but I should have let them do it. looks, because if they would have did it, you would have never seen it.
Mhm.
But man, everything else is like bolted in straight. Every bolt, everything's done on this bike.
Yeah, you got 10-point bolts I saw and everything. Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. The pictures didn't do it justice, as they say.
Yeah. That's what I told you, man. It's a killer.
So who painting out here? I see they got some paint schemes out here. They got a painter, a local painter does a lot of work out here? I say he got a bunch of powder coats, so I guess black is a new chrome, as they say.
Yeah. Let me ask you, I can remember his name. But he painted. Sean, what's up, guy that painted the parts on my bike? The red one? Yeah. Chad.
Okay.
Moses.
Okay.
What? Yeah, he just did that? Yeah, he did this too.
Mm-hmm.
So, the guy named is Chad.
Okay. I got a guy who does a lot of our work out in the Bay, Creative Concepts. He does some real beautiful stuff. I just interviewed him. He with that Blue Road King that he was painting with the Harley Davidson scheme on it, and he did some diner work. Had similar to this right here, but it had a lot of design Aztec stuff into it. You know, Latino twist to it. Yeah. Looking good, man. Looking good.
Yeah. The guy that Flacco bought his truck from.
Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Oh, they did a whole different thing with the lights. They glassed this up into it. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do this on my Burgundy bike, but I'm not gonna fill it in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna just put the new Simpson
Mm-hmm.
on there. I mean, they do it all.
Oh, okay.
And then stereo,
Mm-hmm.
motors, and whatever it is, they do. This is a new one. I haven't seen that one. So he's new. Whatever that is.
Okay. You got the Bahama looking speakers up top or something.
Yeah, boy, what's his name? C.
Oh, Corbin. Yeah.
Corbin.
Bazan. Yeah, Bazan. Yeah. Corbin Coupe seats.
Bazan did mine too.
Oh,
but I
okay.
took it off. Because it didn't match up.
Yeah, you told me.
Water pump went out, which, you know, those water pumps do shit anyway. You can ride it with no water pump, right?
Right.
They put on the trailer, strap brakes, one side, bike flies off the trailer, they drag it on the fucking highway, so it's just fucking.
Sanded one whole side of the bike off.
They're in the other building. They're not even like, they're not even moving, some are immovable, so they put them over there, they're moving around.
So they had 5 bikes go down at that time.
That black one, I built his motor for Arizona, he I don't know what happened, dude, but part of the piston snapped off in the motor and just wiped it out. It's fucked.
Ooh.
Look at the back piston over there.
Go on the side of the piston. You wouldn't know. The fucking chunk of stuff. Oh, I see. Yeah. Wipe the head out. I said the head's done too.
Yeah. Where's that?
Wow.
Your bike or Dan's bike? I want to show him that one. He fried.
Ooh. Game over. That's
Is it
worse.
open over there?
Last time I left it open here, I walked out there one day to take a piss, and there was 2 people walking out. They thought they should over and look around. I'm like, what the fuck are people doing? Like some fucking, like, people was running around the square, like some, like, hillbilly guy. Like, there's probably no fucking,
You can come over? Yeah, okay.
probably no fucking harm at all, but, like, you know what I mean? It's like,
When they start